Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you for hanging out with me for a bit. So today I'd like to do this really quick tutorial to show you how to tink back your work. I am working on a beanie here and I have just completed the brim of the beanie and was ready to begin my color work with my new color added on. The problem is I should have changed to a larger needle size and I did not. So what I'm going to do here is show you how to tink back your work, which is to knit backwards. So here I have my stitches that I need to tink back, and I'm just going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to enter in on the left-hand side of the work and just pick up this stitch here that you see here. Okay, I'm just going to pick it up and then I'm going to push the old stitch off. All right, so I'm just picking up the left side of my work and taking the stitch off. Now it is easier to do when you're doing a knit stitch, and I don't have any purl stitches to show you today, so you just see where I'm just picking it up, just lifting the left hand side of the previous stitch and just taking the old stitches off. All right, so I hope you can see that here. The previous stitch is right here, and I'm lifting it and then just taking the old stitch off. Okay, so it is really just the reverse of what you are doing. And here I actually had 2 loops on there, so no problems there. And then this is the last one. So when it's at the beginning, you just have to be careful not to pull it, and you just go right in on the left-hand side from the front of the work, and you pick it up, and then you take the stitch off. All right, so now I am ready to get back to work because I am right back where I was when I should have changed my needle size. So that's how you tink back your work. I hope this was helpful. Bye-bye now. So that's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. So once again, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up, for leaving me a comment. I really do appreciate it. I know that there are other things that you could be doing with your time, and to just take the time out to just hang out with me for a bit, I really, really appreciate it. So do everything you can, guys, to be mindful, to be at your best health, and by all means, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video, or maybe in one of yours. Take care now. Bye-bye.